Just like that woman, I'm here to thank you, Lord, with my hands lifted up for all you've done for me, and with a grateful heart, my praise offering I bring. I stand before your presence, oh Lord, I worship you. I am here to say thank you for saving me, for all you've done for me. I lift my voice to say thank you for love.